This 2013 Land Rover Range Rover is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Land Rover Range Rover HSE package, panoramic sunroof, 5.0 V8 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, navigation system, rear view camera, heated front seats, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, keyless entry, keyless start, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, white exterior, black leather interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 Land Rover Range Rover HSE is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.